In case you have also received a notice from Tamil Nadu police or from any other cyber police under section 94 BNSS or under section 35(3) BNSS, where they ask you to come to the police station within a 3 days, 7 days, or within that given date or time. Many people, due to whatever reason, they receive a fraudulent money in their bank account get freeze. After that FIR registered, police send you the notice and tell you to come to their police station and record your statement with your ID proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank account statement. You have to visit. So many people are right now receiving a notice through email, through WhatsApp, through speed post or registered post to their given address. So in that situation, people are having a thought that if we don't go, police will arrest, police will come to our house. What we have to do, not to do, whether we are supposed to visit there, or we have to take any anticipatory bail, or we have to refund the money whatever we receive, that is a fraud amount. How we can sort out this matter, what is the complete process. So everything we are going to advise you. In case you also receive any notice from any cyber police station, your bank account is freeze, so in that situation, what should be your reply, what you have to do, not to do, what will be the best option for you, each and everything our lawyer myself is going to tell you. That will help you to save your time, money, and give you a complete peace of mind and give you a complete clarification, also clarity also, that what will be the best option for you. So no need to worry, no need to get panic. Just WhatsApp us whatever notice through any mode you receive, whether WhatsApp, email, or through speed post. We will see it, that for what purpose you receive the notice, FIR, whether directly your name is there in FIR or not, what will be the best option for you, and according to that we are going to advise and guide you. So in case your bank account is also freeze, how you can unfreeze, how you can get the NOC from the police, what you have to do, how you can remove your name in from the FIR or from the complaint, that everything we will tell you. So just WhatsApp us, no need to panic, run here and there, just WhatsApp us, get the help, save your time and money. The video, share it, subscribe our channel, be with us for any sort of legal help from anywhere, anytime.